Pi Network has unveiled a series of important updates to its App Studio platform, focusing on making app development more accessible than ever before. These enhancements are designed to empower not only experienced developers, but also users with little or no programming background. With the latest features, anyone can now build and publish applications that seamlessly integrate Pi currency payments. This inclusive approach aims to foster innovation and expand the practical use of Pi within the community. By lowering technical barriers, Pi Network is opening the door for a wider range of creators to participate in the growing digital ecosystem. Pi Network's latest update introduces an easy integration feature that enables users to add Pi payment capabilities to their apps without any coding experience. This innovation combines the Pi software development kit with back-end APIs into a streamlined setup, allowing for payment integration in under 10 minutes. By removing technical barriers, the platform opens up app development to a wider audience, including those with no programming background. This approach not only accelerates the creation of Pi-based applications, but also supports the scalability and inclusivity of the Pi ecosystem. Pi App Studio now offers an ad-supported free publishing option, allowing developers to release or update their apps simply by watching ads within the platform. This approach significantly lowers the financial barriers for creators, making it easier for anyone to participate in app development, regardless of their Pi balance. By integrating ads as a publishing mechanism, the platform also helps deter system abuse and spam, ensuring that only genuine contributions reach the community. This balanced solution supports a wider range of developers while maintaining the integrity and sustainability of the ecosystem. Pi Network has launched a special community event designed to engage developers and gather valuable feedback on the App Studio platform. By participating in surveys or sharing their opinions about the best apps, developers have the opportunity to earn Pi credits. The first 1,000 eligible contributors will receive 5 free Pi credits, which can be used within App Studio to build or customize their applications. This initiative not only incentivizes creative input, but also encourages broader participation, helping to shape the future of the Pi ecosystem through community-driven ideas and innovation. The recent updates to Pi Network's App Studio reflect a vision of greater inclusivity and empowerment within the digital economy. By making app building accessible to everyone, even those without technical backgrounds, the platform lowers barriers and invites a more diverse range of creators. These enhancements also expand the practical uses for Pi currency, integrating it more deeply into everyday applications and transactions. Ultimately, the goal is to transform users from passive consumers into active creators, fostering a vibrant ecosystem where innovation and participation drive the future of the Pi community. The latest updates to Pi App Studio focus on making the app creation process more accessible, even for users with no technical background. By introducing straightforward interfaces and clear guidance, the platform lowers barriers for aspiring developers. To ensure a fair and sustainable environment, Pi Network has implemented measures such as ad-supported publishing and credit limits, which help prevent exploitation and system abuse. Pi payments now serve as a foundational feature within apps, reinforcing the vision of a real economy built on Pi. Ongoing community feedback plays a vital role, as user and developer insights directly influence future improvements to the platform. The latest enhancements to App Studio mark a pivotal moment for the Pi Network community. By simplifying app development and integrating Pi payments, these updates lower barriers and invite users of all backgrounds to become active creators. Now, anyone can contribute innovative ideas and practical solutions, fostering a more dynamic and diverse ecosystem. As more members participate, the Pi economy continues to grow, transforming users from passive consumers into key drivers of progress and collaboration.